Saludos amigos, KASH here, President and CEO of Real Estate in LostTrains.com. Guys, I'm coming to you today from, this is a totally spontaneous video. We're working with an amazing developer. There's a brand new project that we're gonna be bringing to you guys. It is phenomenal, okay? It's under the 500K marker, and this project is, each townhome is 3 floors with a rooftop patio, pool in the back, just an absolutely beautiful project. And we also have ocean views that I'm going to be sharing with you in a second. These are the ocean views that you're going to be getting from this place. So guys, this project, we're going to be filming that today. This project is going to be something that you need to take very serious because the price point is amazing and every single unit in this has an ocean view, okay? And I'm going to be sharing those with you in about 3 seconds over here. The ocean views are spectacular. You're only seconds from town. Literally, it took us, we were center of town and then we were here a minute or 2 later. Okay, so you're close to all the amenities. You're right next to this beautiful beach you're gonna see. And like I mentioned, you're gonna have 3 floors. Well, you're gonna have 4 floors, 3 fully finished floors. And then you have a rooftop, which is gonna be fully finished. You have options to put a jacuzzi up there, a pergola. You have options to do a ton of stuff with it. You got 2 parking spots. You're gonna have a pool in the back. You're gonna have 24-hour security. You're gonna have all of those amazing amenities, and you're gonna be so centrally located. The other day, I put up a video for you guys of an amazing villa that I attended a birthday party at in Portillo. So what I want to do over the next few days, I want to show you guys the landscape and how different it is. There's so many variations. When people say Los Traines, they don't understand until they get here how vast that is, okay, what that means. And in these next series of videos that you're going to be seeing, I'm going to be showing you that, okay? It's not just beach life, it's mountain life, it's living a life that you never thought you would be living in an environment you never knew existed, all right? So guys, I'm just gonna, for the next minute or so of this video, I'm gonna share these views with you, and I'm gonna explain a little bit more where we're at, and get ready for this video. We're gonna be putting it out in the next couple days. This project is phenomenal, and it deserves your 100% attention. All right, guys, thanks, enjoy the views. All right, guys, so here I am. I'm up on my trusty CF Moto. CF Moto, if you're out there and watching these videos, reach out to me because I think we need to do a little bit of work together. I'm promoting you guys like crazy because this CF Moto of yours is phenomenal and gets me everywhere in Los Traines. So if you're watching or if anybody knows anybody at CF Moto, reach out to them because they need to talk to us right away. All right, so here we go. I'm standing on the back of my CF Moto. I'm perched up. I don't know how many feet up in the air, 200-300 feet, something like that. All the way off in the distance over there, you're seeing Portillo. Okay, that's where I was. I was up in the hills behind that hill. Okay, you can see all the construction going on. This place is going to be like Hollywood Hills soon, okay? People have scooped up all of this hillside property because of these magical views that end up being almost 360, okay? As I'm moving along, right down there is Playa Punta Popi, where all the restaurants, bars, all of that exciting stuff is, okay? As I'm panning off to the left, you're seeing, I'm coming on the center of town over there, okay, as the beach continues and continues and continues. And then you're seeing Playa Las Ballenas. You're seeing now we're completely in Playa Las Ballenas. As I pan left more and more and more, the hill along the water there is Bonita Village. Right on the other side, the water, you can't see it, of course, but there is my home, Playa Bonita, the water off in the furthest distance, okay? And then you're seeing all of this amazing construction that is going on. So when people ask me, they're always asking me, hey, KASH, how is it over there? Is there a bubble happening over there? You see what's happening in Canada, you see what's happening in the US and France and all these other parts of the world, New York, all of that stuff. But is there a bubble happening in? No, and I keep explaining to you the reason why. It's this landscape, and that's why these next few videos, I'm gonna be explaining all of that to you, because you really need to understand why this is different than the market you're in right now. It is a completely different market. The demand for what is here is not stopping in our lifetimes, okay? And it's so vast. It's not that we're gonna fill up. It's not like a St. Martin where it's all full and it's polluted with buildings. No, there's so much land. You keep going, you keep going, you keep going, okay? So sky's the limit. All right, guys, so that is, keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open for this video. It's gonna be coming out in the next day or so, but in the meantime, get ready for it. If you want more information in advance of me doing the video, because you know that creates a lot of demand, reach out to me, 1-519-567-1785. Again, 1-519-567-1785, and we will get you that information ahead of this video coming out. All right, guys, thanks again. Remember, like, subscribe, and share, and get the word out about what we're doing here. It's exciting stuff, and it deserves the attention of as many people as possible, because paradise is possible for you. And remember, guys, life is short, so love where you live. Talk to you soon.